So my birthday just passed and I turned 24 years old. It's crazy how I'm already in my mid-20s. It feels like yesterday I was graduating high school. And it's amazing to look back and see how much I've grown and how much I've learned since I was a kid graduating high school.
You made it out alive, and it's probably for the best, 'cause I'm about to fuck things up. If not now, then soon enough. With a sigh.
For the past year or so, I've been spending a lot of my time in nature, away from this fast-paced lifestyle. I feel like there's something we can all learn from nature. Like how it flows. See, the rivers don't try to create their own paths. They follow the way that gravity has placed them. They flow down the paths that they're meant to go down. And they don't fight it. Or how it's patient. A tree doesn't try to grow big and tall in one day. It has no care of time, and it waits until it's meant to be, and it doesn't fight it. How it gives. The sun gives our earth unlimited light and warmth, with never asking for anything in return. And it doesn't give because it's good to give, it gives because it's in its nature to do so. And it doesn't fight it. How it's content. A bird doesn't try to become a butterfly. It is what it's sent here to be, knowing when to migrate south and north without questioning its purpose. It doesn't try to be a bird, it just is a bird, and it doesn't fight it. How it rests. As persistent as nature is, it knows when to rest. The days turn into nights, and the summers turn into winter. It never questions it. It knows when it's time to slow down, and when it's time to speed up. And it doesn't fight it. There's a reason that no matter who you are, we're all attracted to some aspect of nature. We all can love a good sunset, and we can all awe at a beautiful view. We can all feel calmer when near the river, and we can all appreciate when the seasons change. And I think that's because our true selves is nature. We just let our ego take hold of us and tell us how to live. But if we stop letting our ego steer our lives and align with nature, we align with the truest part of ourselves. We align with God, and we align with our purpose.